What's up, everybody? It's your girl Passion Monet. I'm back again with another video, and today I'm going to show you these beautiful, gorgeous floral nails. They are matte black with floral foil. So let's get started. And right here I'm just showing you where I get my inspiration for these nails. So I was looking on YouTube for some matte floral nails, and I found this video by Bomb Nails, and as you can see, they are just so cute. She did hers with acrylic, but I wanted to try mine out with a more easier, affordable way. So let's get into it, y'all. Now these are just my nails right here. I'm gonna go in and prep them, and I'm gonna apply my tips with this glue, and these tips are from PMBexquisite. I got them from Amazon. Here they are. I'm gonna shape them and file them to my liking because they weren't sharp enough at the tips. And I'm gonna take this regular black polish and go ahead and polish each nail. I did 2 coats. And I'm just making sure I coat the nail thoroughly with the black so it isn't streaky. Excuse the train that y'all hear in the background. I know y'all hear it. It's loud as ever. Y'all hear that? Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so now that I've fully coated the nails with the black, I'm going to go ahead and apply my floral foil. Now this, I got it off Amazon. It came in a pack of like 40, but it was all different designs and everything. So I'm going to apply the glue, but I don't recommend this glue because it does burn the nail beds for some reason. I don't know. I'd rather use other glues, but after I coat the nail, I'll just press the foil down on each nail and make sure I press it down thoroughly so that it can transfer onto the nail. And I do that same process for each nail. And I'm just gonna peel it on off. Look at that, y'all. It look raggedy right now, but after I put that top coat on, y'all, it's gonna be looking like, yes, you know. So I'm just peeling that off. And then after I peel all of that off, I go in and file it and shape it. I don't remember if I did it on camera or not. I don't think I filed it and shaped it on camera. Nope, but I went in with my matte top coat. This one I got off of Amazon just to try it out. And I applied that to each of the nails. Look how cute that is, y'all. Look at those roses. Just so cute. And after I fully coat all of those nails with that matte top coat, I go in and I cure it for 1.5 minutes. Okay, and now I'm gonna just cure it. I'm just showing y'all how cute it is before I cure it. And here it is in its matte form. It's just so cute and simple. I did a chunky curved stiletto, and it came out really cute. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.